Hi guys, today we are outside and we are making chicken Boti kebabs on the charcoal. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. This is beautiful. So right now we're gonna find a spot where we're gonna grill. So I guess this is the perfect spot, what I think. We are right next to the water. So this will be my preparation table. I'm gonna put all the stuff here and we're gonna work from here and we're gonna have a beautiful view. Are you hungry, buddy? We're gonna eat some kabobs. You good? So guys, we're gonna put some fire starter on the charcoals. I got some dried wood and now we're gonna try to light this guy. So guys, we're gonna make cubes out of our chicken breast just like this, and for now we're gonna just put it in our box right here. I'm trying to reduce the fat as much as So first thing first, this is oil and vinegar. We're gonna put a little bit oil and vinegar right here. Now I have this red chili powder. Here we have ginger and garlic all here. I have some homemade curd. We're gonna put this curd, or you can say yogurt, a little bit in there. So this is kabob masala. We're gonna put at least 1 spoon of kabob masala here. This is the brand. We're gonna add some salt in there. And we're gonna give it a mix. For now guys, our chicken is ready. We're gonna just let it sit on the side for at least 15 minutes. We're gonna just let it sit right here. So our coals look ready. I mean, this will be the best chicken tikka boti kebabs on the charcoal. And look at the view, guys. This view is amazing. So it's been 20 minutes so far. I'm gonna cook maybe 5 more minutes. I just want my chicken to be well done. And here we have this green chili and the garlic. They're getting roasted. Alright guys, so I think this one is done. Yep, it's all ready. We're gonna dish it out right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care. For now, I'm enjoying this meal. It's really good. Wow, charcoal cooking is awesome. Whenever you guys go outside, you guys should try this recipe. It's very easy to make and you guys are gonna love it. Anyway, take care. Bye now.